Hello and welcome to the channel. Please do give this video a like and please do subscribe to the channel. It would help me out so much. This is a review of the OSA Wireless Lavalier microphones, and this is for the iPhone in this instance. It's a plug and play device. They work up to a range of 20 meters with precise audio and varied compatibility across all of the different iPhones, of course. So let's have a look what's in the box. First of all, there are two wireless lavalier microphones supplied. Each of them come with a plastic cover to protect the logo, clips on the back, and in the box each one has a dead cat and a USB charging port. So both identical microphones. This is the controller that plugs into your iPhone. There's an indicator light that I've just pointed to there that tells you when it's plugged in and also when it's connected to the microphones. Inside this box, there are two USB-A to USB-C cables, one for each microphone, and the wireless controller is just powered by the phone, and there are four standard microphone covers that come supplied as well. Inside the box, behind the foam covering, there is a small bag to keep everything together, so you can take it out with you outside of the box, and some instructions which you really won't need. It's just so simple to get these microphones working. So that's everything that's in the box. Now, plugging in the wireless controller and connecting it to one of the microphones is incredibly simple. This is a lightning port rather than USB-C. As you can see, it's flashing, so that's saying that it's not yet connected. Taking the cover off there, and the switch is on the back. Just one long press and you'll see both lights go green, and that's how you know that they're connected. No need to install any apps or anything like that. So just taking the dead cat off here and adding one of the standard microphone covers. Simple as that. As I said, there are four that are supplied, so if you lose one, there you go.
This is the sound of the audio recording from the iPhone microphone. This is the sound of the audio recording from the OSA Lavalier microphone. This is a test of the OSA Lavalier microphone from around 5 meters away. And this is a test of the OSA Lavalier microphone from around 10 meters away.
So that's it. That's the OSA Wireless Lavalier microphones. Two of them supplied and incredibly simple to connect and use.